Jai Hind to all. I'm G.Tejasri, degree second year, studying in Telangana Social Welfare Residential Armed Force Preparatory Degree College, Bongir. Today my topic is types of muscles in our body.
Types of muscle are classified into depending upon the striations. Striated muscle, non-striated muscle, depending upon the control, voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle, depending upon the function, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Body, three types of muscles are present. Cardiac muscle, located in the walls of heart. Skeletal muscle, located between the two bones. Smooth muscle, located between the urinary bladder, uterus, and stomach. Next type is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is also called as voluntary and striated muscles, tissues in the human body. It produces the movement. Skeletal muscle fibers are rough and cylindrical, contain many nuclei, crossed by alternating light dark bands or called striations. Fibers bind together, connective tissue into bundles, and these bundles in turn bundle together to form muscles. Skeletal muscles are composed of many muscle fibers, blood vessels, connective tissue. Skeletal muscles are controlled by somatic nerve system. Skeletal muscle has fibers are long and cylindrical, has many nuclei, has striations, have alternating dark and light bands, voluntrical. Skeletal muscle has different parts in our body. Bone is a rigid tissue that constitutes the part of the vertebrate skeleton in animals. Epimysium, fibrous tissue involved that surrounded skeletal muscle. Epimysium, labeled at the top center, sheet of connective tissue that group muscle fibers into bundles. Endomysium, key element that separates the single muscle fibers from one another. Nuclei, skeletal muscle cells are elongated. They have multi-nuclei and these nuclei myofibric, long filaments that are run parallel to each other to form muscle fibers. Fascicle, 20 to 60 fabrics surrounded by connective tissue sheet. Blood vessel, branches of nerves, follows the connective tissue. One or more minute blood vessels are called capillaries. Skeletal muscle are attached to the skeleton by tendons, cause movement of bone at the joint. Muscle fibers, long distance type 1 400 to 800 meters, type 2A, short sprint, type 2B. Types of muscle, second type is smooth muscle. It is also called as vascular muscle. Muscle layers in the wall of present in the digestive tract, bladder, arteries and other internal organs. Smooth muscles cells are elongated thin, have only one nucleus and form sheet rather than the bundle of nucleus. Smooth muscle is controlled by the autonomical nervous system. Smooth muscle has fibers are thin spindle shaped. Single nuclei involuntary contract slowly. No striations. Smooth muscle has nucleus and muscle fibers. Smooth muscle is very slowly found in the circulatory system, in blood vessels, help in circulation of the blood. Found in the digestive system, stomach, intestine, controls the digestion. Found in the respiratory system, controls the breathing. Found in the urinary system, urinary bladder and controls the urination. Types of muscle. Third type is cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle are the cross between the smooth and strian muscles, makes up heart tissue. Like smooth muscle is controlled by autonomical nervous system. In cardiac muscle, cells are branched and appear fused with one another, has striations. Each cell has central nuclei and it has involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscle have different parts. Branching cell, striations, nucleus and cardiac muscle fiber. Cardiac muscle only found in the heart. Contractions of heart muscle pump blood throughout the body account for the heartbeat. Types of muscle locations in our body. Skeletal muscle fiber is present in bone. Cardiac muscle fiber is present in heart. Smooth muscle fiber present in vascular organ. Skeletal muscle fiber shape is cylindrical and unbranched. Cardiac muscle shape is branched. Smooth muscle shape is spindle shaped and branched. Skeletal muscle length is 1 to 4 centimeters. Cardiac muscle length is 80 to 100 nanometers. Smooth muscle length is 50 to 200 meters. Skeleton muscle diameter is 10 to 18 nanometers. Cardiac muscle diameter is 15 to 20 nanometers. Smooth muscle diameter is 2 to 5 nanometers. Skeleton muscle is present. Nucleus is one or more nucleus are present. Cardiac muscle fiber only one nucleus. Smooth muscle only one nucleus. Skeleton muscle has striations are present. In cardiac muscle, striations are present. In smooth muscle, striations are present. Most common patterns of fascicle or arrangement are circular, parallel, convergent, pentate.